Hello friends, so here we have the Atem Mini Pro. I've already done a video on the unboxing. Brilliant product. There's a couple of items which I've purchased. One is a deck saver, which is a really good quality plastic molded case that fits over the top, purposely built for this particular Atem Mini Pro, and it stops all the dust. It does go on here. There won't be any scratches. It's just a protection piece, so it just literally sits on top and that's it. It's really easy, comes on and off it nice and easy, but gives you that additional protection. They're made in the UK. I'll put a link in the description for the affiliate links for that particular product. The other thing which I purchased is, you get this, you plug in the power, it's constantly on until you turn off the plug at the wall. Rather than doing that, what I wanted was like an inline switch. There's a guy from Canada called Chris, and he's got an eBay store, and he makes them up himself, I believe, and it's an Atem Mini inline power switch, which is here. So it's got nice screw-on connections so that it's got the same screw-in connection that is provided on the original power lead. What you can do is you can unplug this one, and then you can plug in to that side part of there, so it's not going to just unplug, it's got a secure connection. So there's that secure connection there. You have the switch for on and off, so it's off at the moment, and then you also have a screw-in connection on the other end. So you plug that into there like so, screw it up. Now you have a completely solid secure connection, and then all you do is you turn it on. You've finished for the day or whatever, you can turn it off, which I find brilliant. I don't know why Atem didn't do it on their own. Essentially it keeps Chris happy because he's selling them. I'll put the link in the description for Chris's eBay store. And if you're after an Atem inline power switch so that you can do the same as I have, turning it on and off via a switch that's on your desktop rather than crouching underneath the table and turning the power switch off down there. Great product. There are inferior versions of this online, but they don't have this screw-in connection. So like I say, you could be in the middle of something, you knock something, or a cat walks past and it pulls the cable, and then you've lost power to your device. Chris's one, great product, really good quality, and like I say, it maintains that secure connection because it can't come undone because it's screwed in. So thumbs up for Chris, highly recommended. That, and then you've got the deck saver as well. That's me, thanks very much, cheers.